If you're someone who feels like the internet is moving too fast, relax. You're not late, you're not behind, and you're definitely not alone. In fact, the reason most beginners feel overwhelmed is because no one really sits down to explain AI in a simple, safe, practical way that actually fits your everyday life, especially if you're just starting your online journey. And that is why I created this new series. AI is not a trend. It's not going anywhere. The earlier you get comfortable, the better it will be for you. I recently watched an interview with Elon Musk where he talked about Grok AI, describing its knowledge as PhD level.
This is the smartest AI in the world. Like Grok 4 is postgraduate, like PhD level in everything. Better than PhD, but like most PhDs would fail.
Like, are you kidding me? The kind of knowledge people spend years studying for in school is now literally sitting in the palm of your hand. And if you've been paying attention, you've probably noticed something. AI is already transforming the work of photographers, video editors, graphic designers, programmers, app developers, copywriters, marketers, customer service reps, you name it. Now, does that mean everyone is losing their job? Not exactly. But it does mean the people who don't adapt will fall behind the people who do. At one point in the interview, he asked Elon if he planned to start making phones. He said no, because traditional apps might eventually become outdated. Because soon, anything you want to do might be as simple as typing a command with your voice and boom, it just happens. He even said that anything that requires you sitting at a computer, AI is going to handle more and more of that work.
Like anything that's physical, those jobs will exist for a much longer time. But anything that is digital, which is like just someone at a computer doing something, AI is going to take over those jobs like lightning.
And at that point, I was like,
are you sure I should not just go and start learning plumbing or be a farmer like this? Because that's how wild the future is starting to look.
Jokes aside, this is exactly why we need to broaden our knowledge of AI right now. Not to replace our skills, but to upgrade them, to stay ahead, stay relevant, and to make sure we're using the tools that are shaping the future instead of being left behind by them. So if I were you, I would take this moment as an opportunity to learn how to use AI so that in the next 5 to 10 years, while others are far ahead, you're not sitting there regretting that you didn't start sooner. Welcome to episode 1. This video is your official introduction, your starting point. Let's begin. Before we talk about tools or strategies, let's make one thing very clear. AI is not magic, AI is math. AI is a system learning patterns from the information that's already online. Autocorrect fixing your spelling, Instagram suggesting content you like, Netflix recommending movies, all of that is AI. And if we are being honest, most of us have already left our digital footprint on the internet long before AI tools became mainstream. We've been uploading pictures, commenting on posts, filling out forms, saving things to cloud storage. All of that is data. The fear that AI is watching me is not entirely accurate. The internet has been watching all of us for years. But here's the part nobody emphasizes. You are still in control. AI doesn't think for you. It doesn't replace your creativity. A creator struggling with consistency, AI can help you brainstorm ideas and write your first draft, but you bring the story, the energy. AI can help you write emails, captions, or product descriptions more quickly, but you understand your customers better than any tool ever will. AI can summarize information, create outlines, or help with research, but you decide what's relevant and accurate. Think of it like having a calculator. A calculator doesn't make you less intelligent, it makes you more efficient. If you ask every creator, the biggest challenge they face is not creativity, it's burnout. So AI will reduce your stress by eliminating blank page syndrome. You never start from scratch again. AI gives you a starting point, saving hours of manual work. Brainstorming, scripting, caption writing, planning, AI speeds it up. Now, all of this sounds great, but there is one thing that you should never skip, and that is what we are diving into next. Now, let's talk about something very important, your digital safety. AI is helpful, but you must protect yourself while using these tools. Here are your safety rules as a beginner. Create a separate email for all AI tools. Do not use your main personal email. This protects your private inbox and reduces spam. Never upload sensitive images. This includes photos from your bank app, ID cards, driver's license, passports, documents with your address or phone number. 3. Do not share your passwords with any AI assistant. If any AI tool asks for your password, run. Avoid connecting AI directly to your personal cloud unless it's a trusted platform like Google or Notion. Don't enter your credit card information just to try a random tool. Many unsafe websites imitate popular AI platforms. Double check before you pay for anything. Use two-factor authentication, especially for the email you use for AI tools. Read permissions before uploading anything. If a tool says, "We may use your content for training," be careful with what you upload. Keep your personal videos and pictures separate. If it's not something you would post online publicly, don't upload it to AI. Before we continue, I want you to know something important.
I started posting online, trying everything, but no one seemed to notice. It felt like my voice was lost in a crowded digital storm. Every night, I studied tutorials, analyzed trends, and practiced until my small bedroom felt like a training ground for my future self. Then, slowly, things began to shift. One video took off, then another. People started listening, not because I was perfect, but because I shared my mistakes honestly. When I finally found my footing online, I realized I could help others avoid the struggles I faced. So I created a full series, The Beginner's Blueprint to Content Creation. Launches on my YouTube channel on November 29th, 2025. If you're wondering where to start in today's digital world, head over to my channel. Learn from my journey, my mistake, grow your skills, and start earning without buying expensive courses. Let's navigate this digital space together and turn your ideas into content that pays you. Save the date. Bye!
The Beginner's Blueprint to Content Creation, a complete A to Z guide. If you're truly serious about becoming a creator, if you want to grow online, if you want to earn from your digital skills, then this blueprint will teach you everything you need to know as a beginner. So make sure you subscribe, follow, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now that we've covered the basics, coming up next, we are exploring a powerful AI tool called Grok.
All right, guys, I'm Janet Solomon, your one and only digital solution strategist. Bye for now.